today by Kena, misery sitting, and we are heading downhill for quite a bit today. We're doing 9.1 miles. We're doing 9.1 miles on the MST today, mostly downhill. Obviously, we're starting at the highest point this side of the Mississippi River, and our goal is to get to Blackstock Knob, take the 1,000 foot climb up to the top of that, and then we'll head down to Walker Knob, where we'll conclude our day here on the Mountains to Sea Trail. Once again, we're in this beautiful section. The 6,000 foot peaks mostly have this look to them in North Carolina and Tennessee. Nice little stream here. Got a waterfall here. We've descended off Mitchell, and we're now heading down. Probably the next point of interest will be US 128. Another creek crossing here. Heck, this could be Upper Creek. It's hard to tell. The guide tells you you're going over creeks, but it's hard to distinguish which one is the one it's talking about because they're so similar in scope to one another. Plenty of water sources out here on the Buncombe Horse Trail. This would be a fairly nice area to camp here. Not too far up the MST from Highway 128. If you parked there, you could have this campsite. Ladies and gentlemen, the mighty South Platte River. Obviously, we're close to the headwaters here. On my EarthMate app, it doesn't even show the water crossing here along the trail. This is what it looks like on the other side of 128. Take a picture of this. And there is my beautiful wife. She can kick it up those hills, guys. And she'll be up there probably before I finish recording this little segment and take a couple pictures out here on the Mountains to Sea Trail. I'm to head up Blackstock. Probably about a 3-mile walk to the summit of Blackstock Knob. We have just re-emerged at over 6,000 feet elevation. Still climbing up Blackstock with maybe another mile to go, mile and a half to go. I like how the trail goes up on this rock. Not the biggest of day hikes, not the smallest of day hikes. In any event, it's a great day hike for a birthday, and today is that for me. Turned 42 at around 2:31 p.m. today. I think we're at the top of Blackstock Knob. We're walking along a ridge here, descending from Blackstock. And the views of the Black Mountains are incredible through here. Mount Mitchell, Mount Craig, Balsam Cone, Cattail Peak, Deep Gap, and you see Winter Star up on the other side to the left of that deep gap there in the middle. And then going across you have Gibbs and then CeeLo Knob as you drop down. Love it up here. Black Mountains. Doesn't get much better. Reef.
It's a tree with MST mark on it.
There's an MST marker. Oh wow.
I have to replace that one.
Yeah, kind of hard to see that one. Tree got jacked. That is quite incredible. Yeah. We are now heading down in elevation. We are on a grassy descent as we head to the Walker Knob Overlook parking area, where today our hike will conclude. Gotta say, this was a much easier hike than some of the hikes I've done recently on the Mountains to Sea Trail. There is that one climb, but it's nothing. So if you're looking for a good day hike on the MST, seriously, look up the Yancey County Public Transportation Authority. Give them a call for $21.60, I believe is what it is. They'll shuttle you pretty much anywhere around here. We parked our car at Walker Knob, and we had them shuttle us back to Mount Mitchell, where we started hiking today. And we're getting close to the car right now. We are definitely getting closer to the Blue Ridge Parkway again. As you can tell, the sound of motor vehicles. And just like that, it's over. How'd you like that hike?
I liked it.
I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for joining in on these Mountains to Sea Trail hikes. Peace out. Have a great day.